Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today in this lecture, we will be discussing the value of the function at given points. For example, we are given a function in the algebraic form, and we are supposed to find the value of that function at given points. Let's see question number 3 of exercise number 2.3. It is a function f is defined by f of x is equal to 2x minus 5. Write down the value of, we have to find the value of f of 0. That means we have to find the value of function f at x is equal to 0. That means in order to find this value of function f at x is equal to 0, we have to simply put x is equal to 0 on the right hand side. So how can we do this? That's very simple. It's like this. F of x is equal to 2, it's 2x minus 5. We have to find f of 0. So it is f of 0 is equal to 2 into, instead of x, we will write here 0 minus pi. So it is 2 into 0 minus pi, that's equal to minus pi. On the same lines, you can find f of 7 and f of minus 3. Okay? And the next question of this exercise is the function t, which maps the temperature in degrees Celsius into temperature in a degree Fahrenheit, is defined by t of c is equal to 9c by 5 plus 32. We have to find the value of t of 0, t at 28, t at minus 10, and we have to find the value of c when t of c is equal to 212. Okay, so this time we are given first of all, we have to find t of 0. That means we have to calculate the value of the function at t is equal to 0. So see here, function is defined like this. It's t of c. So it's defined like this. We have to find t of 0. What we will do, we will write here, instead of c, we will write 0. So we will get the required value. Okay, I've solved it here like this. T of 0 is equal to 9 into 0, because on the right hand side you can see that the definition of T of c is equal to 9c by 5 plus 32. So we will write accordingly in the same expression. It's 9 instead of the c, we will write 0 divided by 5 plus 32. So answer is like this. On the same lines you can solve these. But I would like to highlight here part number 4 of this. The question says we have to find the value of c, for which t of c is equal to 212. This time we are given t of c. So t of c is equal to 212. And right hand side is unknown. So 9c by 5 plus 32, that's equal to 212. We will arrange the terms and we will get at the end c is equal to, it's 100. Okay. So this way we can solve this. Next is question number 5. Question number 5, you see here, find the range of the following functions. Very interesting question, very good question. We have to find the range of the value, the range of the function. How can we find the range of, what's the range of the function? Earlier I have discussed that a range corresponds to the set of values of the codomain with which the domain elements have been mapped. Okay. You see here f of x is equal to 2x, 2 minus 3x. So the values of x that we will put it here, for which the function will be defined, they are domain values, and the values of f of x that are obtained, they are called as range values. So you see here f of x is equal to 2 minus 3x. That means we have to find actually the value of f of x, and those set of values of f of x for which f of x is defined. That they are called the range values. See here, we will put the values of x, but the values of x are to be put greater than 0. So we will put value of x greater than 0. We have tabulated it here in this. So if we will put x is equal to say 0.01, 0.1, and many more values greater than 0. So accordingly, we get f of x, the values of f of x, they are here. You see that values of f of x obtained, they never exceed 2. See, if we will give it here 0, it will be 2. Maximum value is 0. So it will be 2. F of x will be 2. If we will give more values, say 1, 2, 3 values of x, you will get a negative value of f of x. We have tabulated it here. So for every value greater than 2, if you will put greater than, I mean to say 0, if you will put, you will get the value that's negative. So the range is from negative and it goes at most equal to 2. So if we will write the range of this, so range is from minus infinity to 2. Okay. It should be noted here that 2 is not attained because 0 is not attained in the domain. 0 is not attained in the domain here. 0 is not, x is greater than 0. It's not equal to. So f of x will be greater than, will be less than 2, not equal to. Alternatively, you can find other method here. X is greater than 0, 3x is greater than 0, 2 minus 3x is less than 2, f of x is less than 2 for all values of x. This is another method. Part number second of this, once again, we have solved it. Let's see it by the alternate method. Let x be any real value. X square will be greater than or equal to 0. You know that square of any positive real number, square of any real number is greater than or equal to 0. You will add 2, you will get 0 plus 2. X square plus 2 is greater than or equal to 2. So f of x will be, this is actually f of x that's defined in the question. So this will be greater than or equal to 2. So that means the range of the function is greater than or equal to 2 or equal to 2. That means 2 is also attained. But it goes up to what? It goes up to infinity, but infinity is not attained. So this is the range of the function. Next, very simple, that is this function f of x is equal to x. It's very clear that for all values of x, you will get a value f of x here, and in fact the same value. So whatever is the domain value is the value of the range. So domain is R, and so range is also R. So this way we concluded this exercise based on the concept of functions. I hope that you have got it. If you have any confusion regarding this, you can ask. Thank you for joining the class.